Hey guys, Ethan here with Family Handyman. Say an air compressor is a really useful tool, but it's a lot of work if you need it just to top off a tire or fill up a football. I was recently gifted a Ryobi tire inflator. Let me tell you what I think about it. The tool itself is small and compact, a little bigger than a standard handheld drill. It has a 20-inch air hose with a traditional valve lock on the end. The inflator comes with 3 fittings: a press-to-valve fitting for bike tires, a needle for inflating sports equipment, and a blower nozzle to assist with pool toys or small camping mattresses. And when not in use, the fittings snap into the handle for safekeeping. The digital readout screen is fantastic. It's clear and precise and easily allows you to locate your ideal PSI with pinpoint accuracy. The best part about this tool is it's safe and straightforward to use. Simply attach the battery, put in your appropriate nozzle, and pull the trigger and you're ready to go. With a little instruction, nearly anyone can safely and effortlessly top off a wheelbarrow tire or soccer ball. Now, the inflator didn't excel at all the tasks we put in front of it. It really didn't like pumping up my completely flat truck tire and struggled with the high PSI that my road bike tire requires. But it did power through both these jobs and get them done. Ultimately, this tool absolutely has a spot in my garage arsenal. It's compact, easy to use, easy to take with you to the trailhead, to the pool, or off to soccer practice. That's why I make this Ryobi inflator Family Handyman approved. For more great products like this, come visit us at familyhandyman.com.